all, welcome back to my channel.
It's spring, like everything is new. The sun, the flowers, calling on warm days overdue. But I like everything is new.
If you're new to this channel, I am Apurva Pedindi and I would love to say if you hit that subscribe button. If you're new here, welcome, and if you're old here, welcome back. And it would mean a lot if you take a moment and subscribe below because we're super close to 500. So my Instagram family knows all about the hurdles behind this video. This is actually my second time re-recording the whole thing. So yeah, that's this. And if you're not following me on Instagram, go check out. So this look, how did I create? You get everything there on Instagram. So if you're not following, you can follow. There'll be a link in description box. Check it out. So today's video is so unlike me. I can never think that I would ever do this video because I don't know. I just feel I could never do this. So today's video is reacting to K-pop. So basically, anything Korean is so in trend right now, and the K-pop music is also so in trend right now. So I thought, let me just do a reaction video because I never ever follow any of the K-pop things. Like, I just heard a couple of them because I do reels and stuff on Instagram. Because of that, neither I didn't even see the videos at all. So yeah, this is me reacting to it for the first ever time. And I want to give a disclaimer before this video that these all, like everything I put up in this video, are my own opinions, and every individual has the right to give an opinion, and it's nothing wrong. If you're a person, I think it's called the hashtag BTS Army. If you're one of them, don't get offended if I say anything. I am not here to spread hate at all. This is all a personal place to talk. But if you are a fan of a person or you adore a person, there are two people, like one who like, one who don't like, and it's totally okay to have opinions. If you like them, you should also be in a position to take opinions, and that is my disclaimer before I started. And yeah, if I go wrong anywhere in any place, do let me know that I was wrong in that place regarding any information or anything. It would be of great help in the comment section. So with no further blabber, let's just get into the video. Before I get into reacting some of the videos, first I would just like to read out what K-pop is, 1-2 lines. I mean, almost 98% would be knowing, but even for the 2%, because it would be like me. So it says K-pop means Korean popular music. I thought it's Korean pop. So pop is popular music. So it says K-pop is Korean popular music, and it's a genre of music originating in the South Korea. Of course, yeah, we know that. Okay, so also it says that K-pop became very famous in the 2000s, and previously the South Korean pop music was called Gayo. Oh, it's Gayo, Gayo, whatever. So that's some interesting facts I got to know. And yeah, so what I know until what I've saw and like research and got to know is that there are two very famous bands in K-pop. One is BTS and the other is Blackpink. Now BTS is very famous, like throughout the world. Like people are like BTS, they're like dying for it. And I guess a couple of days back their new song also launched. It's called The Butter. We will react to that. So it says, let me just read a few points about BTS. I'm reading everything from Wikipedia. So it says that BTS is also known as Bangtan Boys. Ye kya naam hai? What's a Bangtan? I feel it's so lovely. So this band has 7 people composed. So the names are Jin, Suga, J-Hope, RM, Jimin, V, Jungkook. Now let's quickly react to a couple of videos of the BTS gang. The first video of BTS which I will be reacting to is Butter. It's just 3 minutes song. It's someone trending for music. Okay. Ooh. It's in black and white. These guys are so cute. He was just eating a lollipop.
Oh my god!
now and they immediately turn into like color thing. It's cool. Oh, your hair is in violet color. She looks like Miley Cyrus. Oh, one thing I really like about this K-pop, like after like I've seen a little bit, right? Like every guy is so well dressed, like they have so good fashion sense. Man, from where are these guys? Like I don't feel like even 10% of the boys in India are so fashionable. I don't know why, even though they have such options, they don't. I don't know, but these guys, that suit in orange and white. Oh my god, good. Ooh, wearing a satin shirt, that's so hot. The Miley Cyrus guy. Oh, street style. Oh my god. These people even are using accessories. Like god, from where are they? Like boys using accessories is so in least number. Like dude, I appreciate these guys for doing this. I mean, they're spreading a word for the boys that man, you need to start doing fashion and being fashionable. Like see, I am loving this, and the hair colors are like so wow. Like they're so like, what is that? And the song is on a good, you know, catchy beat. I like that. But if I had to rate this song like on a scale of 5, I would give it a 3.5-ish, 4. I'm not a big fan of the song. I'm like, wow, what a song. But I like it. It's a good mood. And oh my god, it has 14 million likes. Why I will hyping BTS so much? Like, I literally don't know. Okay, so I just went off camera and heard to another song, The Dynamite. I already heard it, but I saw the video. So if I had to give a gist of what BTS, how I like, I feel BTS is a very like, other than music, obviously I respect every person who does music because it is an art, and no matter how you create it is very difficult, and I give a hats off for that to them. So coming to BTS, the one thing which I really adore is their fashion sense. Like every guy is so sensible in fashion. Now I personally don't know if obviously they'll be style, but they even have some personal choices, right? So I feel they're very fashionable, and that thing in them really is amazing in them, and they are so cute. I don't necessarily feel they're hot. And yeah, I got to know just now that one of the band members of this BTS has got selected as the world's most hot guy. Like dude, that is so overhyped. Like no.
Are you sure about that?
मतलब तुमने ऋतिक रोशन को देखने के बाद भी तुझे लगा कि he is the hottest? Like that man is in his whatever age and he's so freaking hot. Like I don't think any of these gang members abhi tak what I saw, I don't feel any of them can be the most world's hottest person. No hate, but it's my opinion. Yeah, they're looking good. Their skin is so nice. They're so good looking. They're very cute. I like them, but I don't think any one of them are the hottest in the world. But it happened. Like people voted. Like BTS Army, whatever. Okay, if I had to give a total BTS review, I would say I really enjoy the music. It's very on beat. Like it has a good beat every song. And one of my favorite is definitely Dynamite. I really enjoyed that song. So yeah, and the boys are cute. I don't find them really hot. They are cute, and I feel it's a little bit overhyped, but yeah, chalta hai. So now let's quickly jump to the second band. It is called the Blackpink. Now I have to tell you one thing about this band. I have again never heard them, but on my reels on Instagram I get some reels of them, and when I see those girls, oh my god, they are so freaking confident. Like some award shows or something, they are like always united together, and when they go anywhere they look so confident. Oh my god, I just can't tell you enough. So let me just read a couple of points about Blackpink again. So Blackpink is a South Korean girl group formed by the YG Entertainment, and it has Jisoo, Jennie, Rose, it's Rose or Rose, I don't know, it has this thing on E, and Lisa. Okay, and their first debut was in August 2016. Let's see what are they up to. So first I would like to see this video. It has 1.3 billion views. My lord, it is Kill This Love. I really like that song. That beat is so high, like so bold, but I never saw the video again, so here we are. Oh her god, oh my god, those specs are bomb. Oh. Outfit, man, where do these people get these outfits? Like some celebrity stylists, I don't know from where. Oh my god, it's amazing. And her makeup, oh my god. It's like this Kim Kardashian's wet look. Ooh. Oh my god. I really like that outfit. It is so gothic and so bossy. I'm telling you, these girls are so, I find them so confident from before. I was telling, I don't know, I really like them. Like, oh my god. Even one thing I found about these videos of Blackpink are their aesthetics are so colorful, like poppy, colorful, girly, yet I mean their aesthetics are so on point, like how a music video should be. It's so color popping, and their makeup and their skin, like it's beautiful. Like these girls look so confident, bomb. Next song which we're gonna hear too is Ice Cream, definitely, and it has Selena Gomez in it, and it has 566 freaking million views. I've never seen this video. Ooh. This is so upbeat song. I love it. Oh my god, they all are so cute and sweet. Okay. Guys, like their outfits are so freaking on point. Oh my god, I can't tell you. Like the aesthetics are on point. The video making is amazing. The voices are so bold and so different. You know, all these five girls. Five I guess. Oh, 4 here. Okay, so previous video was 5 now. So whatever. Their voices are so bold and projecting. I like it. And her makeup and this is so cute. Like she did a blue eyeliner and some stars yellow color. The dressing sense, you can see Selena Gomez's dress is like a romper kind of black and with white borders, and these girls are like in good pink aesthetics and girly things like that. They look so cute. Like the aesthetics are very colorful. I like it.
So good, you look so sweet. Baby, you deserve a treat. Diamonds on my wrist, so we call me ice cream. You could double dip, cause I know you like me. Ice cream, chillin', chillin', ice cream, chillin'.
Oh, it's pink balloons.
Ice cream, chillin'.
So I can't listen to the entire song on the camera, so I heard it. I really like these girls' aesthetics, and the videos are so on point. Like the color popping everywhere and the color blocking things, it's really nice. And this song, if I had to rate out of 5, I would definitely give it a 4.5 like that, because it is wowie. So that's the thing. And also, if I had to rate Blackpink, I would rate them again a 4.5 probably. And if I had to choose between any of these two, BTS or if I had to choose between BTS or Blackpink, I would definitely choose Blackpink. And yeah, it's not because I'm a girl or I love that, but their voices are so nice. Like, it's so different, but it's so nice to hear, and their aesthetics are on point. Both the bands, even I saw that, even their aesthetics of BTS are like so on point, and their fashion sense, both the girls and the boys, they are like amazing. Like, it's the thing I feel that nowadays all these Korean things are becoming famous, and now seeing a couple of videos of the K-pop, I feel these people are very much experimenting with their styles and music and production and designing ways. That's one thing I feel what gives them more amount of fame, and that makes them unique from others. If Indian industry also would be like that, I feel it would go on an amazing track. So yeah, I definitely love the fashion sense of the K-pop people. Their voices are too good, and their songs are like, some songs are like mix of Korean language and English, but some are purely English, I found them. So yeah, if I had to say my opinion on K-pop, I feel it is like any other cultural music of any country, and I feel it is a little bit overhyped. I said overhyped because it is really, and I feel it. One thing I want to say is, like, every country has a different culture, so like Korea has K-pop, like India also has Indian classics, Indian music, but I feel especially our country people, even some of the Americans, they value what they have, like their music, American pop and classics, they do value them, and then they go to others. But one thing I find in India, because I see so many of my friends like BTS, why don't you hear to any Indian classical songs? Why don't you just go to your roots and see what India has? Like, you can definitely adore something of your country, but not at the sake of not respecting of your own. So I want to tell you all, when you're listening to somebody else's cultural music, come here when you're in India, and being an Indian, just check out what is Indian classical music, what does it have. It's no bad thing, right? You need to know where you are, and you need to support what you have. And also I feel that I follow beauty and makeup bloggers, and they do and talk about lot of Korean skincare, and it's lot famous right now. And when I see those products and things, I really like them, the formulation and stuff. I've used couple, and it's really nice. I do appreciate it, but I equally feel at the same time that India also has a lot of Uptons and many homemade products which women from previous ages also use. So I feel every culture has a different thing, and K-pop is one such thing that the Korean people made their own music, and it's very famous overall. And yeah, it is a good experience, I feel, this video, just listening to them and getting to know what they are about. And yeah, that is this video all about it. I have been I enjoyed it, but if I will watch again, if I would be a BTS ARMY part, no, definitely not. I am not so mad about it. I like it. It's like any other music, any other genre. And yeah, that's it. I'll hear to good songs, I'll not hear to other songs. So that's the entire thing. So I guess this is it for today's video, and if you didn't enjoy it, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, because we are very close to 500, and I hope nobody got offended with this video. Yeah, thank you so much for watching. Let's just meet in the next video. Bye you guys. And also, what's that? Sangria. What is that? We will use today. Okay, bye guys.